In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can make money through Amazon and how the best ways are to do it. Coming up.
Simplicity, simplicity.
How's it going, guys? Simplicity here, back again. If you're new here, I'm Simplicity. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe right now by clicking that big red button down below, and it signs you up for more videos. Do it right now. I'm not even asking, guys. Do it right now. I would really appreciate it. And while you're down there, make sure you ring that bell. Just click that bell notification, ring a ding ding, so you get notified when I post new videos. So make sure you do that right now while you subscribe. And of course, smash that like button. Give it a tappity tap and make sure that you like this video, because it does truly help the video grow and get my channel out there. So if you can do that, I would really appreciate it. It's super simple and it doesn't cost you anything. So if you can't do it, what are you doing with your life? Do it right now. I ain't even asking. Please, I'm begging you. But if you could, I would really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below what you think of this video, any pointers, any advice that you can give. Hopefully we can help support each other. Before we do get into the video, make sure you follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Facebook is Simplicity and Instagram is Simplicity's World. Links are in the description. Definitely go follow me on there, because we do merch giveaways every single week. So make sure you do follow me on Facebook and Instagram for your chance to win some merch. Also, if you do want to go check out my merch, there's some really cool new designs that I've been working on. Definitely go and have a look. Link is in the description, so make sure you go have a look. Check out my merch. You won't be disappointed. Go check it out. There's stickers, hats, shirts, singlets, all of that good stuff, sweatshirts, all available through my website. So go ahead and help support me. Have a look. Let me know what you think. Anything, any advice, I would truly appreciate it. So definitely have a look. And if you don't want to help support me, go ahead and purchase some merch. But like I said, we do merch giveaways every single week. So make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram especially, and Facebook for your chance to win some merch. So make sure you do that right after this video. But make sure you do watch the whole video, because we do go through some amazing tips of how people manage to make money through Amazon, and just how truly amazing Amazon can be. And how it's not just done through YouTube. This is all about how you can make money through online, different avenues, and today we're going to especially talk about Amazon. Before we get into the video though, if you do want to help support this channel and help me to make more amazing and truly awesome videos, you can go check out my Patreon. Link is in the description. You just become a Patreon and you help support my channel, and you get behind the scenes type stuff and all of that awesome stuff. And if you aren't aware, we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing coming very soon. Super excited. Hopefully will be coming within the next week or so. So make sure you stay tuned for that. We're going to be getting it in gold in the 256GB. Super excited. We can do an unboxing of that, and we can do some amazing videos of it, test out vlogging, testing out the video, the photo quality. We might do some waterproof tests, all sorts of crazy stuff. So make sure that you stay tuned for those. Make sure you have subscribed, you've clicked that bell notification, and you've given this video a thumbs up to help support this channel so we can keep making amazing content. I love making videos, and we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and to do that, we're just going to stick with it, keep doing daily videos. So I hope you guys do enjoy these videos. I'm going to keep making them no matter what, and I truly want to thank each and every one of you. If you are watching this video, I want to thank you especially. Can't thank you guys enough. And of course, if you're new here, make sure that you do subscribe so you get more awesome videos like this. Like I said, if you are new to the channel, we do all sorts of stuff like this on here. We are venturing into tutorial, how to make money online, those kind of videos. They seem to be a bit popular, and I feel I have a little bit of knowledge I can pass on to you guis, and I do find the topic very entertaining, and I hope that it can be something that you guys can learn from, and maybe help you guys entrepreneurial type people, I think that's a word, how to make money online and the best ways to do that. So make sure you do subscribe if you like that kind of stuff. We also do other awesome stuff. We do unboxings, we do reviews, we do trick shots, all of that awesome stuff, and some merch giveaways as well. And we are going to start doing some Instagram shout outs eventually. Like I said, once I've got enough followers, then it would be worthwhile doing that. But if that's something you'd be interested in, comment down right now and do that. And if you're new here, comment down right now and say hello. I do try to read all of the comments, so please do that, and make sure you do watch the whole video. Right, without further ado, we're going to get into Amazon. I'm pretty sure most of you should be familiar with what Amazon is, but I'll briefly just tell you about what Amazon works. How Amazon works is purely an online store where people sell items at, I guess, a cheaper rate, depending on how you want to look at it. Amazon is probably, in terms of e-commerce, one of the largest e-commerce websites out there. Amazon is definitely killing it when it comes to e-commerce. That's why most of you should be familiar with what Amazon is, and you can truly buy almost anything on there. What a lot of people don't know is about 80% and 90% is not actually sold through Amazon. What I mean by that is it's actually done through sellers that sell on Amazon. You purchase it through Amazon, but you're not actually buying from Amazon, if that makes sense. And that's kind of what we're going to go into today. We're going to talk about how you can sell stuff through Amazon, how it works, and how the best ways are of doing that. We're going to the most basic and best way to do it. It's going to be done through Alibaba? One momento. Alibaba.com, A-L-I-B-A-B-A, Alibaba.com. It's actually really fun to just have a look and see what they sell on there. They basically sell anything, and what it is they are a supplier for people that want to purchase cheap products that you get at a cheaper rate because you're buying in quantity. So if you didn't know that, it's your simple kind of suppliers. That's how any company or any business works that sell products. They buy it in bulk, they save money, and then they sell it to the consumer at a more expensive rate and obviously make a profit on it. That's how the world works, that's how it works, and that's how Amazon works, that's how businesses work, that's how any of your clothes stores work. That's just how life works. Seems crazy when you think about it. You're like, why am I paying more for something that they can get for cheaper? But like I said, you do have to buy it in large quantities. For Alibaba.com, I believe you have to purchase at least somewhere between 500, something like that, 500 to 1,000 products. But you definitely, if you don't know what it is, at least have a look at it. It's a really cool website, and you can literally purchase anything from there, probably from socks to TVs to cameras to freaking houses, boats. It's absolutely crazy what you can get on there, and the prices that you can get. Like, you could get phone cases for as little as 10 cents if you buy them in bulk. So we take a phone case, for example. It could be any kind of design, but we'll use a phone case as an example of how you can make money through Amazon. So let's say you go to Alibaba.com and you buy, let's say, 500 iPhone cases. Okay, you're going to pay somewhere between 10 to 50 cents per case. So yes, it is going to cost you, my math isn't great, but say $250 for those 500 cases, and now you want to make your money back. So then you go ahead and you become a seller on Amazon, and you put those iPhone cases directly through them, and you sell them for like $5 per case. I mean, you can understand anybody is probably willing to pay $5 for a relatively decent case. As far as I'm aware, the quality is just as good as anywhere else that you would get. I mean, it all comes from the same place. But yeah, you're buying something for cheap because you're buying it in stock, and then you're selling it for a profit. That's basically how it works. A little bit deeper into that, the reason why Amazon is so great for e-commerce, I mean, they used to be, when they first started, they were purely just selling books mostly. They were like a book depository type store. They purely were about books and things like that, and then they just took off. I can't say exactly when, but they really took off, and that's where this kind of market came along, and that's where you kind of have these online sellers with different ranges, and they sell you stuff for, hey, more than what they're paying, but you can still get it for a relatively decent price. So you went to where that's kind of how Amazon works. So yeah, it's quite interesting if you take that example. But yeah, Alibaba has basically anything you can possibly think of. You can purchase it through there. But like I said, you do have to buy it in large quantities. So there's always a risk involved. But it's crazy if you look through YouTube of how, maybe look into this a bit further of how it all works. But it's pretty crazy, the stories of people that have done it and have done it successfully and have found ways to do it. The best way to do it, in my opinion, if you were to try something like this, start with something relatively cheap so you're not wasting too much money on it. It's always going to be an investment. But if you find something that people are going to want to buy, like something that people just always purchase, and in theory they're going to buy your particular one that you've purchased, then you're definitely going to make a huge amount of money off it. It's crazy the amount of profit that you can make when you think of it. If you had 500 cases and you're making a $3 profit on each case, you spent $250, that's something like a $2,000 turnaround. So that's like $1,500 profit. So it's truly amazing the amount of money that can be made from it. The best part about Amazon is it's done all free. It goes through Amazon. So Amazon does the packaging, they do the tracking, they're reliable for it. They're liable for it, I should say, not reliable. They're liable for it. So if anything goes wrong, Amazon will deal it for you. They're basically the middleman for you. They just make it so much easier. I haven't done my huge research. I don't understand how Amazon ends up getting the products. Like, do you send them the products? Like I'm not too sure whether you buy it from Alibaba and then you send it through to Amazon, or can you organize it to go directly through to Amazon? I'm not 100% sure about those details, but I do know for a fact that Amazon definitely deals with themselves. They send the shipping for you. They do the packaging, the terms and conditions, all of that kind of stuff. Amazon does it for you, so it takes out the risk and the I guess the challenges that are involved with selling stuff online. That's the truly amazing part about Amazon, is they do that all for you. All you have to do is purchase a product, chuck some profit on there, and then sell it through Amazon, and you can actually make money from it. So it's truly amazing how far Amazon has actually come, and it's truly a massive online store at the moment. I don't think there's any online store that's as large as Amazon. What you can get on there is truly amazing. But that's kind of how Amazon works if you weren't too familiar with the process and how you can actually use this to your advantage and make money. The cool thing about it is anybody can sell stuff through Amazon, and you can basically purchase anything you can possibly think of through Alibaba.com, and it truly is amazing to see what you can actually buy on there. I had a look myself, and you could buy a jet ski, you could buy a house. Don't ask me how a house works, but it's truly amazing how you can literally buy anything you could possibly think of through there. So whether you're going to buy something or not, it's pretty crazy to see what you can actually purchase on there. So I definitely suggest having a look just for a laugh, or if you do want to look into taking this seriously and starting to try and make money online, this would be a great way to start. Obviously, with any kind of business or entrepreneurial type situation, you need to spend money to make money, and there's always going to be that risk involved. But as far as risks go, apart from money, that's the only thing you're risking. You're barely having to put in any time, any effort, because Amazon's doing that all for you. You don't have to worry about complaints. You don't have to worry about packaging, all of that annoying stuff that you would have to normally deal with. Amazon does that all for you. So it's truly amazing what Amazon actually has on the table for this kind of thing, and it's truly amazing how well you can actually use it to your advantage and the amount of money that can actually be made through Amazon. It's truly amazing how it works, and I definitely would recommend having a look yourself. And if it is something you want to start look at doing to be making money online, this is definitely a great way to start, and probably one of the easiest ways to do it. Starting your own business and that kind of thing is 10 times harder than just looking at doing an online store through Amazon. It's that much easier. All you have to do is create an account, look at what you want to brand, what your brand is, what you're going to market and try to sell, and then just hope that you get sales. It's definitely a risk involved, but it's truly amazing just how far Amazon has come to what they used to be when they first started, how truly massive it is for e-commerce, and just the amount of variability and the things that you can purchase through Amazon, and how anybody can do it. That's what truly amazes me. It's pretty crazy. Now, when you look into it in terms of the negatives and things like that, in terms of a consumer, when you think of it, I don't know about you guys, but probably another thing I don't like about buying things online is you don't know what you're getting. So yes, you may be getting something that is quite cheap, and I've definitely purchased lots of different things from Amazon, and yes, for the most part, you are getting what you paid for, because yes, it was cheap, but the thing is, more often than not, you are buying from someone who is using this exact scheme that we talked about. They've purchased it for probably 1/10 of what you've paid for it, or at least 50%, something ridiculous, and it might not even be the best quality because they've just purchased it from Alibaba.com. They haven't even checked the quality, tested it, done all these kind of things. So it does kind of make it a scary thing in terms of how amazing it is in terms of a entrepreneurial type situation, but as a consumer, it's kind of a scary thought, because a lot of things you can buy that are cheap, they just are rubbish, and you end up just throwing it away. So in terms of waste and all of these kind of things, it's a little bit scary, and I don't really want us to be moving in that direction. So as great as the idea is, it is a little bit scary in terms of anybody can do it. They can sell anything they possibly want for the price that they want. Of course, you are, as the consumer, can choose what you want to buy, and obviously Amazon has all these processes in place to make sure that you don't get scammed, but it's still scary to think that you are buying stuff that is more than less, maybe poor quality, because you are buying it cheap. And of course, if you are, as the business who's selling the products, you're paying not very much at all for the product. You're not really dealing with the build quality or anything like that. So there definitely is some negatives about this, but if you take it from the point of view of how you want to make money online, Amazon is truly the best way to do that. I'm definitely looking at doing something like that myself at some stage. There's definitely a risk involved. For myself, I do have my merchandise that I am looking at doing, but that's all done through me. So if you do want to look into doing some merchandise and stuff like that, comment down below and we can do a video purely on that, how I make my designs, ideas, how to sell it, all of that kind of stuff. It truly is another amazing way to make money online, but I wanted to make this video purely on Amazon, how amazing Amazon is and what is on offer that Amazon has on offer for you. If you didn't watch my previous video on the 5 best ways of how to make money on YouTube, make sure you go check that video out as well. Give that video some love. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you haven't watched it already, and share it with all your friends. Make sure to share this video as well, because it truly does help get the channel out there, get the video out there and get its views up. It would mean the world to me if you do enjoy this video and you have come all the way to the end. If you haven't already, make sure you have subscribed. Make sure you do that right now if you haven't already. I mean, if you haven't, what is wrong with you? So make sure you subscribe right now. You give that big bell a punch in the face. Ring that bell, ring a ding ding, so you get notified when I post new videos. And make sure you share the channel, guys. Tell your friends and your family to share the channel. Tell everybody you can possibly think of, and share it on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, because it truly does help get the channel out there. So make sure you share the video. Comment down below, let me know what you think of Amazon, what experiences you've had, good or bad. I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts on Amazon. And if you have any ideas or any kind of expertise or knowledge or advice you can give to anyone else who's possibly thinking of doing this, let's get a bit of a chat going in the comments below. We can just definitely have a discuss about this and see whether it is viable, whether it's a good idea. I'm curious to hear you guys' thoughts. So let's get this video shared out there on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, so that everybody can see it and we can kind of see whether Amazon is a good way to go, whether you think it's a good investment, a bad investment. I'm curious to hear you guys' advice, but this is what this video was all about, how you can make money through Amazon, the broad ideas that you can do through it, and truly the options are endless in terms of what you can do with it and the money that you can make through it. That's truly what is amazing about how you can make money online, is the money in terms of what you can make from it. The profits you can make is endless, and if you are successful with it, you can truly turn it into something amazing. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure, once again, if you haven't already, make sure you have subscribed. Comment down and let me know what you think of this video. And of course, make sure you do say hello if you haven't. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and let me know what you think of these kind of videos. Definitely lots more of money making type videos to come. And definitely let me know if there's types of videos you would like me to do. I'm more than happy to do it. Make sure you do go and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I would really appreciate it, so you don't miss out on merch giveaways. Go check out my merch, and if you do want to help support me, you can go purchase my merch. Have a look, let me know what you think. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank each and every one of you for helping support me on this journey, because we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and we're going to keep punching through and reaching for the stars. And as you know it, if you fail, you will fall on the moon, which isn't too bad. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I want to thank each and every one of you, and I'll see you on the next daily video on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Peace out, guys.